Have you ever stopped in the middle of a moment and thought, wait, I've seen this before? The smell, the light, even the sound feels familiar, like your brain is replaying a scene from your own life. That eerie feeling is called deja vu, and it turns out teenagers experience it more than any other age group. Why? It starts with how the teenage brain is wired. During adolescence, your brain is rapidly building and rewiring neural pathways, especially in the temporal lobe, the area that stores memory and recognizes patterns. Think of it as a massive construction zone, with signals racing to connect old memories with new experiences. Sometimes the wires cross just enough to make a brand new moment feel like one you've lived before. Teenagers also live in a storm of novelty: new schools, new faces, new emotions, and often more travel and exploration. Each of these moments floods the brain with unfamiliar information, forcing it to rely on memory patterns to make sense of it all. The more fresh experiences you encounter, the higher your odds of triggering that flicker of misplaced familiarity. But here's what's wild. Studies published in the journal Nature Neuroscience show that deja vu isn't a glitch at all. It's a sign of a healthy brain doing quick memory checks. Your mind is double checking your past to make sure it isn't mixing things up. That moment of confusion is really your brain proving how efficient it's become. So, why does deja vu fade after young adulthood? As your brain matures, the wiring stabilizes, and life becomes more routine. With fewer novel experiences and more predictable days, the brain simply has less reason to misfire memory signals. Maybe that's why those teenage moments feel larger than life. Every new experience carries a hint of the familiar, as if your mind is whispering, "You've been here before." But in truth, it's your brain growing, learning, and reminding you that memory isn't perfect. It's alive. If this sparked your curiosity, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.